Since today's video is featuring my husband's voice.
Hey, good people.
And we have a request to react to Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Bird. So if you're interested in our 2 cents, please keep watching.
I'm as free as a bird now, and
All right, Free as a Bird. I dug it. I think it was a groovy song, right? And you know what I liked about the song? It was kind of 3 songs in one. As far as the beat or music goes, it was, I felt like I heard some rock and rock, and kind of like towards the end, I felt like I heard a little bit of bluegrass. And what was the other one I heard? And then it was like funk in there. So, you know, I felt like it was about 3 genres that I heard in the song, in that one song. And like towards the end, I felt like it was like Southern church music. Could you see that? And I know I kept smiling because when they had this, I guess the little session, whatever. It was just the guitar playing. Well, pretty much the guitar, like
dope jam.
It was the guitar was like, you know.
It was what?
You know? Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay. It reminded me of Marty McFly. Do you remember when he got on his knees and he was playing the guitar?
Yeah.
I went straight there. I don't know. What was the name of the movie?
Back to the Future.
Exactly.
Back to the Future.
So that's exactly what when my mind went. I don't know, but I really enjoyed the song. So, what do you think it was about?
It was just about the person, whoever singing the song, just want to be by herself, I guess. Just want to be a loner. Is that what you got?
Free as a bird.
Free as a bird. And yeah, I think it was self-explanatory, basically.
Yeah, it was self-explanatory. I just wonder why though. Like, did all of a sudden he just wake up one morning and say, I don't want to do this no more. I just want to just do me. And
yeah, but I think he
still love her.
Yeah,
but he just
maybe play the field, I guess. Free as a bird. But the best part of the song to me was I don't know if this is good or bad, but was the solo, I guess you want to say.
The guitar?
The guitar when they jammed out.
Oh yeah.
And it sounds so familiar. To me, it sounded like.
Let me see if you say what I was thinking.
When Jenny was doing on the movie Forrest Gump, when she.
You know what? I never saw.
You never saw Forrest Gump? Wow.
I told you I am not a movie person. Like, I don't watch movies. I think I saw like a little bit, like bits and pieces.
Yeah. So that's why I feel like I heard it before, like when they break it down, when they start, playing the guitar. So that's why I'm trying to figure out if it wasn't Jenny, it was somebody doing drugs.
In that movie?
No, in another movie. And that was playing in the background.
So if you guys know what he's talking about, because I feel like I've heard it. Wait a minute, was that the part that I heard before? Because I remember saying or thinking, I heard this, it's sort of tone in the song that it sounds familiar to me. Although I don't know the song, it's just something about the song that sounds familiar.
Yeah. That's where I was placed. Like in like a room, people partying.
Really? Partying to a breakup song?
But no, just the not the song, but
the guitar
solo part. Yeah, that's what
So you didn't see Marty McFly?
Nah. But I like the song.
I like
really
the song
did.
too. I love the beat drops. I love me some beat drops.
Yeah.
I know I love that. I love how it was like 3 different songs. To me, it sounded like in one song.
Right.
So y'all give us some history, the backstory behind Lynyrd Skynyrd, some more requests, and did I say backstory?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This song came out in 1973.
Oh wow! No wonder it felt hippie-ish towards, Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's why he won't be free so far. All right, guys. So yeah, give us some backstory on Lynyrd Skynyrd, the song. Let us know. Well, I guess we didn't really have to go to in deep depth about the song because it's kind of self-explanatory.
Well, you never know, man. You could be having a totally different message.
True, that's true. So yeah, if we're hot, cold, or in the middle, just let us know. Like I always say. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And until next time, you guys take it easy.
Peace, peace.
Peace, peace. I feel like I said